my name's Z-Man, and this is Rodeo Slip and Slide. Woo!
Go! Stop! Are you alright?
And that's how we do rodeo here. Oh, I completely missed the pool. And I completely missed the mattress at the top. What the hell? Fuck.
Hey guys, what can I say? That's completely blasted, but if you like that, check out the link in the description below. We've been working on a new project called Project Poseidon. Basically, you'll be able to get early access to our videos and a lot of other stuff like that, but it's all a little bit secret for the time being. Eventually, when it gets started up live, you'll get notifications and that, and you'll find out more as you go along. But yeah, it takes 2 seconds.